Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get such nice big clumps to turn into several smaller ones. I actually thought that was called shingling, but evidently it's just sort of like shingling, and maybe I'm wrong. Either that, maybe the rest of the YouTube world just completely changed their minds on what the definition means. I don't know. So anyway, here I have this nice big curl clump, which we all want to try and get. But if you have really thin hair, sometimes you don't want such big clumps because you end up with just a few and you have sparse places in between, and it makes you feel like maybe your hair looks too thin. Maybe it even pulls the clumps apart and you can see some of your scalp in between. And, we want you to feel comfortable and have that nice full look. So in order to do that, we just separate the curls. Like I said, I can't call it shingling, I guess. But, you just come in here, pull a piece, and then get it going back in the same direction that it wants to go. And you just do this throughout this curl, as skinny as you want, or however skinny they kind of want to be. Let your curls do what they want. And then they keep that nice shape. It keeps them frizz-free if you just go through one at a time and real quickly give it a little twirl. You can go all the way up through this curl, and then it becomes more full. Let's see how many I can get out of one big curl clump. I think that's kind of fun to do. If you do get any frizzy spots, just put a tiny bit of product or water, or just smooth a little bit more. All right. Now, if I was to do this on wet hair, this would turn my hair straight. If I was to sit here and go like this, that would turn my hair straight. That's why I created ribboning, because it's so much different. But right now, because my hair is already curled and dry, I can do this and it will keep that curl pattern. Oh my goodness, look at how much more full that is. I didn't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could make those thicker, thinner, and then you get all that fullness and some more play. It's so much more fun. It spreads it way out. So I hope that answers your guys' question about how to get your hair to look more full. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.